Hi everyone and welcome to Antern. In this video, I'm going to share one of our notes which is released today, which is Java Notes, which is our upcoming course in winter, which is full stack Java development course. So this is a notes, this is 0.1% notes of our full Java course. Okay, so in this notes you will get everything you need to know about basics, kind of variables, identifiers, data types, and you can also see this is just for reference, and it is detailed notes that you need to know, and you can also refer this. This is absolutely free, and you can just imagine our content. This is just a sample. Whole picture is more, so you can see the notes in front of you. There's more detailed everything that you can also questions and comments. You can join our Discord community, and also it is in full type of amazing examples, amazing daily life use cases, and amazing illustrations, and everything in detail. The instructor, which is Krish, who has written this notes, thanks to all credit goes to him. He has done a great job in developing these kind of notes for you all, just for absolutely free. Upcoming courses. This is the notes of upcoming course of in winter, which is full stack Java development. This is the notes of core Java, one of our courses in that specialization. And I really hope that you enjoy these notes, and I hope that you will ask questions and share with your friends. So thank you for seeing this video. Please share these notes to your classmates, and please be sure to give Krish as well as a credit there, so that because this is a hard work of it. I hope that you like this course. Thank you for seeing this video. I'll be catching up with you in the next notes. Till then, bye bye.